Meaning of defame.
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 Defame. The word defame refers to the act of damaging someone's reputation by spreading false or malicious statements about them. It is an intentional action that is aimed at tarnishing the person's image and credibility in the eyes of others. The result of defaming a person can be devastating, causing them emotional distress, financial losses, and damage to their social and professional standing. Defamation can have long-lasting effects on a person's life, making it difficult for them to regain their reputation even after the false allegations have been disproven. Overall, defaming someone is a serious offense that can have severe consequences.